Hello and welcome to this video where we will learn about lists in Python. Lists are one of the most commonly used data types in Python programming. They are used to store collections of items that can be of different data types, such as numbers, strings, and even other lists. In simple language, a list is a collection of things, enclosed in square brackets and separated by commas. Let's take a look at an example to get familiarized with them. In this example, we create a list called MyList, and it contains the numbers 1 through 5. We then print the list using the print function. Lists can also contain strings. Let's look at another example where strings are in the picture. In this example, we create a list called fruits, and it contains the strings apple, banana, cherry, and orange. We then print the list using the print function. You can also access individual items in a list by their index. The index of the first item in a list is 0, the second item is 1, and so on. Let's look at an example. In this example, we access the third item in the MyList list, which has an index of 2. We print the result, which is the number 3. You can also modify items in a list by their index as well if you would like to make any changes. Let's look at an example for that scenario. In this example, we modify the third item in the MyList list, which has an index of 2. We set its value to 6. We then print the list, which now contains the numbers 1, 2, 6, 4, and 5. This means that the value 3 has been replaced by 6. Next, let's see how we can add items to a list using the append method. We'll get better understanding on that when we look at the code. So let's do that now. In this example, we add the string orange to the fruits list using the append method. We then print the list, which now contains the strings apple, banana, cherry, and orange. You can also sort a list using the sort method. Let's look at an example for this as well. In this example, we sort the MyList list using the sort method. We then print the list, which now contains the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in ascending order. You can remove items from a list using the remove method as well. Let's look at an example for that. In this example, we remove the string banana from the fruits list using the remove method. We then print the list, which now contains the strings apple and cherry. Let's conclude this lesson. As mentioned at the start, lists are a powerful and versatile data type in Python programming. They allow you to store collections of items that can be of different data types, and you can access, modify, add, and remove items from them easily. Understanding how lists work is an essential skill for any Python programmer. I hope this information was useful for you. With that, let's end this lesson here, and we'll see you in the next lesson.